Today I'm going to share two quick tips. We're going to share one tip where I use a brown paper bag to smooth out my paint finish, and the other tip is wet distressing with a sponge and warm water. So this is just a brown paper bag that I got at my grocery store, and I actually already used it a little bit. I've just cut it into strips, and this is a dresser that I painted in DIY paint in Skeleton Key. It's gray, but it's kind of a slate blue at the same time. It's a really pretty color. I'm just gonna take this brown paper bag and go over the whole piece and smooth it out. It's pretty textured because it was painted before I even got it, so it won't be perfectly smooth, but it'll definitely smooth it out. It also brings out the clay variations in the color and makes a really pretty finish. So you can wait to use this at the end of your project, or you can do it every time you do a coat, and it'll smooth out your paint and give you a much smoother finish. Next trick, I've just got a regular sponge and warm water. And then I'm just going to take the paint off. It was already painted white underneath when I bought it. And I'm just gonna do a wet distress with it. And I like to go both directions so it doesn't look streaky. Kind of gives me more of a chippy effect. These quick tips were brought to you by my friend Becca from Miller's Vintage Crossing Design. I'll stick her link below. That way if you want to check out her page, she's got some great live videos to check out and lots of tips and tricks with DIY paint. If you like this video and you like the quick tips, comment below, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to see a full video of a piece from start to finish, Zeb will put a couple links below so you can see the full process. Be sure to stick around because I'll put finished photos in the end of this video. Go to JamiRayVintage.com for all of your paint and DIY needs, and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more DIY.